Artistic, beautiful, durable, practical, up-to-date. These describe just some of the features of the Cedasa, Majupar, Vista Bella and Lorenza, and you will soon get to know them better. By maintaining excellent value without compromising quality, the Cedasa Group manufactures highly attractive products to its customers. And not only do they have experience and know their market, they can offer a variety of different solutions to add value to the business of their clients. Having precisely defined their values and objectives, the group has developed Cedasa tiles to suit all tastes, uses and environments. As a result, this helps in the building of thousands of homes and businesses, and especially in the fulfillment of dreams for thousands of people. Welcome to the Cedasa Group. Founded in 1990 by the Pascon family, the Cedasa company started its activities with a monthly production of 300,000 square meters. Located in the city of St. Gertrude, in the state of São Paulo, where there are the biggest and best clay deposits, next to the state capital, and 250 kilometers from the port of Santos, this strategic location facilitates logistics and transportation, as well as supplying the chief raw material, clay. State-of-the-art technology and the high productivity obtained from the latest generation of cutting-edge equipment are prominent everywhere, and it is recognized as having the most modern plants in Latin America. By always treating business relationships as something very special, a team of qualified employees has, over the years, expanded production, won new customers, and managed to promote their brand and extend their products right across the domestic market and into several other countries. Consequently, from the growth strategy planning in 2000, Cedasa invested in a new industrial park. Currently known as the Cedasa Group, it offers floor and wall coverings from the brands of Cedasa, Majupar, Vista Bella and Lorenza. Aiming at faster response times with better customer service in line with its customers and final consumers, the Cedasa Group has also invested in the expansion of its production capacity. The Cedasa Group lies in an area of 320,000 square meters, 177,000 square meters of which comprise of manufacturing facilities. To create a monthly output of 5.5 million square meters of flooring and coatings, the company has 8 production lines and a large warehouse with a capacity to store more than 10 million square meters of product. The Cedasa product group is known for the excellent quality of its base, made with pure minerals, finely ground, super compressed and burned at very high temperatures. The main raw material is aluminum silicate, a very hard rock that is mixed with other fine materials extracted from the Corumbateí Formation, the most important geological area in the Paraná Basin for the drying process within the ceramics industry. The dark color is the result of being heated in the presence of iron oxide, which is also responsible for the super resistant strength of ceramic bases. The final result is a high performance base, comparable to those produced in Spain and Italy, from where the Cedasa Group imported both its equipment and technology. Cedasa Group prides itself in having the largest storage capacity of minerals in Brazil, ensuring final product quality and the continuity of 6 months uninterrupted production. The processing is carried out using sophisticated equipment for grinding, sieving and granulation. The process enables a rigorous control of the base particles produced. The resulting powder is so fine that it needs to be granulated before use. and so it only requires between 9 and 10% water moisture needed for compaction. Quality standards are strictly observed in every step of the process. This newly obtained ceramic base is given a new format by powerful hydraulic presses. Control is automated and computerized, allowing the production of biscuit, retaining all its structural characteristics. At this stage, an isostatic pressure system has been adopted, which is the most modern in the world. This super compaction greatly increases the resistance to impact and chipping, while alleviating the tasks of cutting and finishing. After the pressing, the moisture is reduced to less than 2% in powerful dryers, thereby preparing the biscuit base for the next stage, which is the enameling. It is in this decorative stage where the characteristics of the enameled surface are defined, which makes the products of the Cedasa Group stand out so much. Multiple layers of glaze are applied, resulting in around 950 grams per square meter. Throughout the enameling and decorating process, some products may receive up to 9 applications, resulting in very beautiful and durable finishes. The base is always the same. What changes is the composition of the enamels according to the type of use and environment for which the coatings were developed. Details such as rusticity, luster, strength, chemical resistance, ease of cleaning, and resistance to wear and tear are defined at this stage. For decoration, rotary presses are used for the copying of lines and textures. Also, there are 2 modern digital pressing machines which are used to manufacture products with a competitive range, containing a high-definition picture with a resolution of up to 1016 dpi, capable of producing bold designs using slight variations of tone. The main advantages one obtains with this technology are the use of infinity design and unlimited image variation. With high-definition technology, it is possible to reproduce images of up to 1,000 square meters in length, allowing for more product movement and creating a more natural environment. With high definition, using a high-definition image through digital presses, we can produce images up to 26 times higher than the traditional method. Ceramic tiling can be faithfully reproduced into various images, such as the rustic appearance of natural stone, the texture and detail of wood, and the elegant nuances of marble and granite. 3D printing in high and low reliefs is now possible. Before the arrival of the digital press, it was only possible to print on smooth surfaces because the silicon roller system could not reach the lower parts of the relief. Now, with the digital printing process using inkjets, we can fill the entire surface of decorative products in both high and low relief. The Cedasa Group do not sacrifice beauty for high quality. For this reason, they use prime raw materials with Italian and Spanish technology, the same as the best in the world. Here they are vitrifying materials, pigments and special additives. The composition varies according to their uses in the different locations for which the coverings have been developed. The research in new technologies is continuous and has allowed the creation of more and more durable products, meeting the latest fashion trends. Quality controls, careful handling and storage result in an excellent surface finish. The coatings are now ready to be fired. Refined preheated stock guarantees the continuity of the production process without interruption for more than 30 minutes. The firing is carried out in great kilns, the largest and most popular in the world. The temperature inside the ovens is extremely high and could reach up to 1200 degrees centigrade. The use of natural gas does not pollute the environment and allows the firing to remain uniform. Because a filter removes fluoride gas contaminants that can escape into the atmosphere, emission levels remain below those required by the regulatory bodies. The system for recycling the hot air kilns generates a saving of more than 10% consumption of natural gas, clean energy, and that combined with the optimization of production and advanced technology makes the Cedasa Group a world model in the use of this energy. Control of the firing is done electronically by super sophisticated computer systems. In just over 22 minutes, single firing takes place. In other words, the base is fired and the enamels vitrify within a single passage through the oven. The glazes adhere strongly to the base, helping to avoid chipping. Finally, an exclusive thermal treatment is made through fast cooling, which is one of the secrets of the high resistance in the Cedasa Group products. The coverings are now ready for selection. At this stage, the coverings go through a selection process. One by one, all the pieces are examined by specialists in visual analysis of surface quality. The examination of color standards and definition of shade lots are also made. Then, a sophisticated system of optical sensors coupled with modern software and equipment checks all the dimensional properties, removing unwanted coatings. This process not only conforms to but also surpasses the technical standards NBR 13818 and ISO 13006. Afterwards, all the pieces are separated into lots according to their dimension. They are then standardized, thus ensuring a better cosmetic result when they are ultimately laid down. The machine also separates the pieces into lots by shade and quality and assembles packaging, preparing them for palletization. The Cedasa, Majopar, Vista Bella and Lorenza coverings follow the most stringent international standards, receiving certification for Quality Management System ABNT, NBR ISO 9001-2008 Certificate of Compliance and Product NBR 13818-1997, equivalent to ISO 13006 and ISO 10545-1, ISO 10545-17. This excellent day-to-day performance can easily be confirmed through laboratory testing. The resistance to breakage, easy cleaning, and easier cutting and finishing are all exceptional. The CCB is the most important ceramic laboratory in Brazil. There, the coverings produced by the Cedasa Group and the majority of Brazilian manufacturers are tested. Super strength, low water absorption, and low moisture expansion are all confirmed through testing. This all goes to prove the exceptional quality of our products, which totally surpasses the requirements of the technical standards currently in effect. In abrasion meters, very dirty and crowded environments are simulated for the assessment of the PEI, which determines the resistance to wear and tear. Chemical resistance and ease of cleaning are tested and proven, and in addition, to ensure a better finish, dimensional standards are constantly monitored and improved. Within a well-defined business policy, the Cedasa Group operate throughout the country. They have received a certificate in PBQP-H, Brazilian Program for Quality and Productivity in Habitat, with access to all BNDES financing for the program My House, My Life, and programs of the PAC, Growth Acceleration Program. The Ceramics Center of Brazil issues certificates of conformity which are valid worldwide, testifying to the competence of the Cedasa Group by maintaining their certifications and the constant quality control of their product. The products of the Cedasa Group are successfully exported to North America, Central and South America, and Africa. Within the Cedasa Group, all liquid and solid base are reprocessed, avoiding damage to the environment. All water used in the enameling process is 100% treated and recycled in a continuous cycle. This has proven so effective that the water treatment system has set an example to many other companies. The filtering performed by the exhaust system retrieves all airborne dust generated during the production process, ensuring air quality certified and approved by the Environment Agency CET ESB. Our industrial park has a system for filtering gases using the latest technology which eliminates the emission of fluoride in the atmosphere, ensuring the preservation of the environment. The program of reforestation and the recovery of areas of native trees are recognized by environmental agencies. The Cedasa Group relies on its own modern power substation, which guarantees the self-sufficiency of electricity needed for the peak hours and in emergencies, ensuring uninterrupted production 24 hours a day. High technology, respect for the environment, valuing people. These are the goals and the focus of the Cedasa Group's actions and Cedasa's foundations of growth and wide acceptance by the market. Products that stand out for their quality, design and innovation. Products that are updated every day. It is the Cedasa Group in action, clearly fulfilling your dreams.